I will show you how to add product reviews on your Shopify store. First of all, open Shopify, and after that tap on the apps option from here, click on it, and tap on apps and sales channel settings, click on it, and from here tap on Shopify App Store, press on it, and from here we have Shopify App Store, and you need to search for reviews, search on it. And after that he will show you all the apps that you can use to add reviews to your Shopify store, and we have a lot of them from here, and you can choose whatever fit you, but based on our experience we have the best app, which is judge.me product reviews. This is the best app right now, and I recommend this app. I will click on it, and after that tap on install, and tap on install from here. And I will tell you something from here, which is this app have free plan available and have rating 5 star and have thousands of people using it. And from here after that he will open the judge me, welcome to judge me, and from here choose the language and where would you like to install it. My current theme I will choose, and I will click on start setup, and I will enable app embed really quick. And after that from here he said judge.me activated, and from here you need to enable it. If it is disabled, tap on enabled from here, and after that get back from here and tap on next step, and from here you need to install review widget, to click on it, and after that will show up to you the judge me widget from here, and what you need to do is you need to add it manually from here. Tap on the sections, and after that scroll down, and from here we have apps and we have the widgets. From here we already the app added for us, and now what you need to do is to click back on the exit and tap on view your store, and scroll down all the way to the end, and from here as you see we have the customers reviews, and from here you can write a review. Any customer you can write a review in your store, and you can be the first to write a review. I will write a review from here really quick. For example, awesome and cool product, for example, and from here I can upload picture or video, it is optional, and I will say my name for example and my email from here really quick as well. And after that from here he said this field is required, which is the rating. We need to rating 5 stars, and tap on submit review, and after that I will get back to my shop, and I will tap on apps and tap on judge me app, click on it, and I will click on manage reviews on the second option, and if I scroll down I will find all the reviews that customers write on my store, and from here I can hide it. Click on published and tap on hide review if you want to hide any review. It is up to you, and it is published, all of them is published, and basically that's it. This is how you do it. And the last thing I will tell you is to tap on the widgets from here, and you can change the color of the widget. You can choose any shape of widgets you would like from here. I choose the first one, which is this one, and you can change the colors, the text, fonts. I will tap on customize, and you can change them from here. You can change the colors, the 5 star color, and scroll down and you can change the text, customize text, and you can allow reviewers to upload photos or upload videos and other stuff as well. If you would like to check them in yourself, be carefully, tap on save from here after you change it. And basically that's it, and other stuff you can check them in yourself. We have questions and answers and import or export as well, reviews if you would like. That's it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.